Hello, internet family. I'm hanging out, waiting for the ferry to take me across the waters to Tacoma to run some errands. I'm going to pick up some lip balm by EOS Organic. I'll show you guys. This is the company. I get it at Target. Organic. This is, I don't want to say strawberry maybe, but they have a bunch of different flavors. They're delicious. Get them. I buy them. It's not a sponsored ad. Gonna get some of that. Gonna get some new sparkly pens for my journal. Probably need a new battery for this car because this one's been dying. Thank goodness for this little starter kit that my dad bought me. Thanks, Dad. Yay, it worked. Felt like a badass too. It's great. It's nice to be self-contained. And yeah, I'm on day 6 of the cleanse. It's going well. I'm recording daily videos. I skipped one day on the wolf moon because, it was the wolf moon and I was offline doing magical witchy things in my magical witchy cabin in the magical witchy woods. But I have been keeping, other than that, I actually just recorded one for day 6. So I will start publishing them soon. And it's going well. Today I noticed that my pores are just so tiny, just so small. I was doing my face stuff and I was realizing like, wow. Yeah, and of course when you do cleanses, like your tummy gets flatter and your body just kind of cleans itself up. And I haven't been sleepy or tired on this one. I haven't been hungry either. I'm just emotionally grumpy because I use food to enjoy my life. Let's see what else. I've been working on Starseed Wilding, and it is coming together. I'm excited. I'm writing about a bunch of disparate things, so it's going to be a patchwork, like all my books are. But I'm so stoked about having it done. I'm so stoked to be able to give it to you guys. It's going to be great. I went for a run in the woods this morning, and I got stigmata through the foot by a branch, grounding the top of my foot. I kept running on it. It was fine. I was wearing my open top Vibram, so it went right to the skin. And I thought to myself afterward, well, if there's wood in my foot, because there might be, as I was cleaning it, it's like, then either my body will work it out or I will have a lovely tattoo. Maybe both, because I was in the middle of the muddy woods. So, of course, there's probably some molecules of mud and stuff in there, but I cleaned it and sanitized it as best I could, and the body heals itself. Working on it energetically. That's a behind the scenes for you guys. I don't usually talk about that kind of thing because it's kind of one of those, don't try this at home, don't just necessarily be the way that I am, but it's the way that I am. It works for me. What else? Very interesting dreams lately. I might have been seeing some of you guys in the dreamlands. In fact, I know I've been seeing some of you in the dreamlands. What else? This world is very dreamy to me, especially over that way. Yeah. What else to report? I know there are more things. I haven't made an official YouTube video on this, so go to my website. I'm doing a goddess tour. As I go down the coast, I will be in Portland, February 8th. I will be in San Francisco, February 10th. I'll be in LA, March 16th, Sedona, April 20th. And I will also be on the East Coast later, but I don't know the good enough dates to say exactly when I'll be there to open up registration yet. But they're lovely times. I mean, it's really the best to meet each other. There's so many amazing goddesses that come to these things that it's nice to know you're not alone. It's nice to know there are other people in your city who are the same as you, and people always tell me that they're life-changing. So, yeah, just yes. What else to update you guys on? I guess that's it. Teaching people how to connect with the fairies has been good. It's interesting because when I take classes, and some of you guys teach classes rather, some of you guys have taken classes with me, so you'll know this. Everyone goes at their own pace. So in the beginning, we kind of start out together, and then I feel the flock kind of spread out. And some people never finish courses, and some people take 2 months between each module, and some people are right on it. But it's an interesting thing to guide because just because it's a 1-week module doesn't mean that it's going to take you 1 week to do the work, because the work is in your spirit. So fascinating, but it's still going on. I'll offer it again soon. I think I'm going to offer the Art of the Mystic again soon, so I'll let you guys know when that's going to be up. Maybe I'll offer it for late February or March. And like I said, I am thinking up this heart healing thing. I definitely am. I'm working on it. One of the things that I find is best for heart healing is to find your own center, to to get in a space where there's no one else around. If you don't ever do this and you don't know even who you are, nature is a great helper. But get in a space where there's no one around and come back to yourself. And come back just to the vibrations inside you, just the sounds inside you, to the feelings inside you. You are your own ecosystem. That's the thing that I'm very aware of lately, is where I stand as a pillar of this paradigm in this new world that we're building. And, that I'm not the only one, that I'm one of them, and that I have a whole gravitational pull around me that feels new. Maybe it's always been there, I'm just more aware of it now. I've definitely been feeling myself rubber banding across the time span, feeling myself, my spirit way in the future, my spirit way in the past, my spirit here in the now, kind of cranking the grids in the way that I do. Anyways, it's good to come back to yourself and remember, oh yeah, I like it here. Oh yeah, this is home. And then the idea, especially with something like heart healing, is that whenever you share your energies with somebody else, the idea is to co-create something beautiful. Of course, relationships bring us challenges, show us where we need to clean up our act, these kinds of things, but consciousness about why you're there is a great help to matters of the heart, rather than feelings of dependency or responsibility, especially when everyone involved is adults. And that's something that astrologer friend of mine, Tula Faye, told me was going to be happening a lot in the coming year, is that people are going to be wanting to have a very deep connection, so codependency may be an issue. So be very aware. Remember that you got this. You can do it all on your own. And if someone's sharing your space, then wonderful. Enjoy it. And you guys enjoy each other, but don't think that you need each other to survive. It changes the game when you don't. It changes the reason you choose to involve thyself when you don't need each other to survive. And we don't. You'd be okay. No matter what happens, you'd be okay. Because you're a boss. Hello, of course. Okay, I love you guys. And I hope that you're doing well. And I'll post this video today. Today is January the 22nd. I'm here till February 8th. I have a little bit of time left. Starseed Wilding's coming. I'm so excited to finally give this to you guys. It's going to be about fairies and vampires and a little bit of mermaidy selkie vibes, definitely some ET stuff, and dragons. I've been writing about that the past few days, and I'm really excited to share with you guys the intel that I've received on dragons. And there's potential for more humans to connect with, more dragons. They're coming back. It's cool. Okay. Sending you guys so much love from the Pacific Northwest, and maybe I'll see you in the future at one of the things I'm doing, maybe online, maybe we'll just keep chatting like this, and that is beautiful too. Hope you're having a great day. If you didn't before, hope you are now. Bye guys.